Hi everyone! Imagine a free spirited artist exploring a bustling market, collecting moments of beauty and human insight, like a bee gathers honey. Welcome to Connect Within TV. Get ready for a personality type that will kindle your inner fire. They are spontaneous, go getters, always asking what's next. Let's dive into the first type of MBTI's explorer, ISTP. ISTP stands for Introverted Sensing, Thinking, Perceiving. You've got a problem, they will figure out the solution. Whether it's in your car engine or in your heart, they are total fixers. From algorithm hacks to love hacks, they are the go-to experts for everything. ISTPs are superheroes, but only after they finish your Netflix show. They will mend the broken, be it sink, ring or heart, but only on their own schedules. ISTPs are like cats, independent, aloof, and will only be affectionate on their own terms, but deep down, they are total softies. They value their freedom and enjoy spending time alone and may come across as detached to others. Never ever even think about trying to tie them or restrict them down. They will disappear faster than a ghost. But don't worry, they are not ignoring you. They are just allergic to your presence right now. Keep your distance, buddy. Don't say, "We didn't warn you." ISTPs love to have fun, but they are not exactly the life of party types. They are more like quite mysterious individuals with a dry sense of humor and love for pranks. They will pour dishwashing liquid in your shampoo bottle, then pretend like there is nothing wrong when you are standing and wonder why your hair suddenly feels like dried grass. They are the picture of innocence until you catch them, and then they are like, "Who, me? Nothing to see here, folks." But despite their mischievous ways, their care and commitment are unshakable for those they truly care about. They show their care through practical actions. They may lend a hand with domestic tasks, fix things around the house, or may offer assistance, but again, only if their couch is not too comfy or if their feelings are extra generous for a brief moment. ISTPs are highly flexible, emotionally stable, and even calm despite extreme pressure. They are less likely to get overwhelmed by stress, which helps them to stay focused, think more clearly, enabling them to break down complex problems. Take the hard part out and making the complex, well, less complex. You can call them easy peasy experts. They observe and manipulate their surroundings, then mold it to suit their own needs without being seen and noticed. ISTPs are spontaneous, free-spirited, and open-minded individuals. From last-minute invitation to road trip on a whim, they're already buckling up. Gas, snacks, and a sense of adventure. That's all they need. Self-directed and independent ISTPs have a bit of a rebellious side, refusing to fulfill expectations, preferring to forge their own path in life. They are experts at turning left when everyone turns right. Ask them about rules and they will instantly tell you the spelling of a 4-letter word. None, because they are the ultimate rule breakers. Furthermore, they have a remarkable ability to captivate or win over others with their words. They are pro at thinking on their feet to get out of a sticky situation. Verbal manipulation is an unbelievable aspect of their personality. They can instantly tune their language, style, and volume to suit any situation or audience. They will figure out how to rewire a house, fix a leak pipe, but do not expect them to figure out their own feelings anytime soon. Because who needs feelings when you can just crack a cryptic code? ISTPs are like the ultimate fixers. They will solve everyone's problems, but their own emotions, they are not quite ready to tackle. ISTPs make great engineers and are often drawn to careers in fields like IT or mechanics, as they enjoy working with technical systems. Their hands-on experience and technical expertise makes them skilled troubleshooters and repair specialists. They find fulfillment in creating something from scratch and take immense pride in being self-sufficient and doing things their own way. That being said, to reach their full potential and become the best version of themselves, ISTPs must develop one crucial skill: emotional intelligence. They often struggle with vulnerability, but regular self-reflection enables them to tap into their thoughts, emotions, and values, forming deeper connections with themselves and others. This introspection sparks greater self-awareness, leading to personal growth and transformation. And there you have it, the charming world of ISTPs. Did that resonate with you? As an ISTP, what is the most epic prank you have ever pulled off? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.